Good evening. I'm Jessica Moore. We begin with the record surge in COVID cases fueled by the highly contagious Omicron variant. For the third day in a row now, there's been an all-time record number of daily COVID cases in New York State at more than 22,000. Mayor de Blasio calls the outbreak in the city an urgent situation. As many New Yorkers struggle to get tested, city officials now have a plan to ease long lines. CBS 2's Lisa Rozner has more on what's being done during this latest wave of infections.
Jessica, the incoming mayor says the decisions made in these next 2 weeks will determine the success of the city for the next 2 years. To start, he and the current mayor will ramp up testing, among other things. From Williamsburg, Brooklyn to Hell's Kitchen, Sunday marked another day of at-home rapid COVID tests sold out at drugstores and long lines, some for blocks, at testing tents and brick-and-mortar locations.
I had a friend who waited for 2 hours today on the east side, and before he got to his place, they stopped the line.
I had to book an appointment for the next day.
We expect these next weeks to see a very, very big surge in the number of cases, more than we've seen previously. And then we expect, after a period of time, that it will dissipate.
Starting Tuesday, the city's opening new testing sites in every borough.
We're adding 17 mobile units this week. We're expanding hours. We have our wait time tracker. We're handing out home test kits and working with community-based organizations.
The city is also investing $10 million into a media campaign to encourage vaccinations and booster shots. It's the best defense at reducing hospitalizations, says Mayor-elect Eric Adams. He was asked on CNN if he will mandate booster shots.
I believe we may get to that point. I cannot continue to emphasize that this is a moving target, and we should not be so stringent and unwilling to pivot when is necessary.
Manhattan has the highest COVID rate among the 5 boroughs, but officials say it's partly because of increased testing there. The chair of the City Council Health Committee tweeted, "Be especially cautious about indoor gatherings where masks come off."
It's like a positive thing to see more people wearing them.
Ahead of families gathering for the holidays, demand for FDA-approved COVID tests is being seen online too. The Connecticut-based founder of the test, Detect, says every day at noon it's selling out its tests, which delivers results in 30 minutes. It's also increasing production.
Shipping is free. We had to limit the number of tests you could get to 3. But you'll have it in 2 days.
And the mayor says the New Year's Eve celebration in Times Square is still on because vaccinations are required and it is outdoors, but he'll make a final decision before Christmas. In Columbus Circle, Lisa Rozner, CBS 2 News.